Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for startups and small businesses looking to elevate their printing game. I'm super excited to share with you the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer bundle, the ultimate automatic t-shirt printing station that's about to revolutionize the way you print. From its smart maintenance features to its pro-grade equipment, this bundle is packed with innovative solutions designed to make your printing experience seamless, efficient, and highly profitable. One of the standout features of the Lancelot M1630 Pro is its smart holiday mode. Imagine being able to take a break or go on vacation without worrying about the hassle of maintaining your printer. This mode ensures that your printer auto-maintains ink flow, preventing those frustrating clogged nozzles that can put a halt to your operations. It's engineered with entrepreneurs in mind, understanding the value of reliability and the importance of seamless restarts. Whether you're stepping away for a few days or a few weeks, the Smart Holiday Mode gives you the peace of mind to know that your printer will be ready to go as soon as you are, saving you time and reducing downtime. Another feature that really caught my attention is the all-in-one production hub. This isn't just a printer, it's a complete production studio that you can set up in minutes. The bundle includes an intelligent powder shaker, a heater dryer, and a mobile workstation, essentially transforming any space into a professional print studio. The setup is incredibly straightforward, no tedious configurations or complicated assemblies. You simply load, shake, print, and dry with the precision of military-grade equipment. This level of convenience and flexibility is a dream come true for any business looking to ramp up their printing capabilities without the hassle of extensive setup or dedicated space. The Lancelot M1630 Pro also boasts pro-level speed and quality, thanks to the Epson XP600 F1080 printheads. These printheads are a powerhouse, offering speeds that are twice as fast as DTG/L1800/R1390 DTF printers, and a staggering 720x 1440 dpi photo clarity on any material you can think of, from cotton and polyester to hats and bags. The vibrant colors produced are not only stunning but also outlast those of competitors, especially on dark fabrics. This means your prints won't just look amazing, they'll also withstand the test of time, giving you a competitive edge in the market. The DTF printing revolution is another significant advantage of this bundle. Unlike DTG printing, DTF printing requires no pre-treatment, allowing you to print directly and save a whopping 30% of setup time. This freedom to print on a wide range of materials, including leather, nylon, and blends, breaks you free from the limitations of cotton. The possibilities are endless, from custom apparel to unique accessories, all produced with ease and speed. This capability alone can be a game changer for your business, enabling you to offer more diverse products and attract a broader customer base. Lastly, the Business Ready Bundle is a comprehensive package that includes a plug-and-play DTF laptop preloaded with the necessary software, along with 24/7 expert support. This means you can start your printing business almost instantly, without the need for extensive technical knowledge or weeks of setup. The support team is always available to help you navigate any challenges, ensuring that your business is always up and running. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this bundle provides the perfect foundation to launch or expand your printing services. In conclusion, the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer bundle is an incredible piece of technology that's poised to transform the printing industry. With its innovative features, ease of use, and business-ready approach, it's the perfect solution for startups and small businesses looking to make a mark. If you're ready to take your printing to the next level, to innovate, to grow, and to succeed, then this is the opportunity you've been waiting for. Find the link in the description below to learn more about the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer bundle and discover how it can revolutionize your business. Don't miss out on this chance to turn your passion into a thriving enterprise. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.